everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay guys, so here we have some chia seeds. And I have a banana. And then here we have some almond milk. We have my glass jar, and here's my collagen. And here are my blueberries. We're also going to be using some stevia. And I am pouring this in the jar, and what we're doing is, this is the way I make my smoothie with chia seeds and some fruit and all these other things that I mentioned. And yeah, it's very refreshing, especially on a hot day. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals, and you can make anything from a smoothie all the way down to dessert. And guys, I've been doing nothing but eating, so we are calling this meal a smoothie with chia seeds. So the host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself. We have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and we have Buckeye Girls Recent Things. Remember that this collaboration is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you make sure and use the hashtag if you prepare anything, and I will go ahead and add you to the playlist. So as you can see, I went ahead and I added 2 envelopes of the stevia, and that's as my sweetener. But of course, you know, the fruit itself has sweeteners. The banana is the only thing that's not keto friendly here. So a nice tip, if you want to have one of these shakes a day, would be to buy a couple of these jars from the Dollar Tree, because they're the perfect size. And then go ahead and and measure stuff out. Use whatever fruits you like, and you can line them up so that you can have one of these a day for 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. This is a good tip, guys. Now, for this particular jar that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, I used 3 tablespoons of the chia seeds. But everything else, pretty much, I don't really measure. I just kind of filled up that jar, shake up everything really good, put it in the fridge, because when you leave it sit, the chia seeds open up and absorb all that deliciousness. I'm drinking this as a shake, so we mix that up really good and put it in the refrigerator. But if you leave this sit overnight, it will continue getting thick, and so you might even be able to make a pudding out of this depending on how much chia seeds you put in. Let's head on over to the review. Now here I'm giving it a good taste. Oh my goodness, this is a good thing to do when you want to grab something on the go and you don't want it to be junk. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Debbie Cabasa Home Living and Buckeye Girls Recent Things for hosting this collaboration with me. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.